Hi, Grant here from Kingfisher Bimini. We're going to do a quick video on how to set up your Kingfisher. What I like to start with when you're about to put it up is to just release that from your double C clamp. That can just sit there. Do that. Already done that side. So if you release that, our configuration here is the Kingfisher folds back, so we've got these struts to keep it up. So just pull out the quick release pin. And we can bring that up. I like to put my hand right down close so you've got a lot of control over putting that pin in there. It's a small thing, but it does help. If you hold this up here and you're trying to put your pin in, you can rock around and muck around for ages. If you get your hand right down close, it's much easier to control that pin going in. So we've got it up in its upright position, and you can travel on the water with it like this. We don't recommend you towing with it in this position. Traveling on the water, it's up and out of your way, it's not sunny. Once the sun comes up, take off your travel sock, which is very easy to do. And we've got our quick release levers here. You just open them up, undo your clips, pull that forward and lock that off. So there's your front half of your boat sorted, and sometimes when you're fishing, that's all you'll want. Set it up. You might want to flick lures from out the back here, and somebody else might want to be sitting in the shade on here, just fishing or reading a book, whatever. And if you want the whole lot up, there you're fully set up. It really doesn't take long, and then you've got the whole boat in shade. This is about 4.4 metre long tinny, so you can see the shade coverage you get is right near the back of the boat here to right up towards the front. Fantastic coverage. And then if you're going to be heading into some swell or some hard chop, or you've got a boat that goes particularly fast, these speed stays are a great idea. You don't need these when you're not moving, but if you're about to head into some heavy swell, that simply releases there, slides down, drop your pin in and lock that off. And what that does is it really locks, they're very stable as it is, but it really locks that forward motion, so if you're bashing into the waves, that gives you plenty of support there.